wondered about the importance of chemistry in everyday life? You might ask this question to yourself if you have studied chemistry. Everything around us, the dog, the cat, you, sun, the food we eat, the desk, everything is made up of chemicals. Let us take an example of a very common product used by every human being in its day-to-day life, a soap. So, today I will show you how basically a soap is formed, the process of making soap. So, first we will take measuring cylinders, common salt, glass beaker, coconut oil, 20% sodium hydroxide solution, Bunsen burner and filter funnel. First we take measuring cylinder and put coconut oil in it. Now put it in the beaker. Take another cylinder and put sodium hydroxide solution in it. And mix it with the coconut oil. Now stir it well. Now take this beaker and touch it. You will feel hot because of the exothermic process. Now take this beaker and place in the Bunsen burner. Let it heat. When it will be heated, a whitish precipitate would be formed. You can see here, a white precipitate is formed. Now, dip red litmus paper inside it. When you will take it out, you will see a blue color. This means it is basic in nature. Now, take a blue litmus paper, again dip it and take it out, and you will notice no change because it is not acidic in nature. Now take common salt and pour in it and stir it well again. Now take this beaker and first put a filter paper in the glass funnel and place a glass rod in it. Now take this beaker and pour it in it. The matter collected inside this filter paper would be your soap. Now take one more filter paper and take out that soap and take another filter paper and cover it so that it becomes dry in between them. Now this is your soap. Cut it in your desired shape. Hence your soap is formed. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Kumar Singh. Me and my friend Lakshya Rathod are here to explain you about hydraulic system. When we hear the word hydraulic system, the first question arrives in our mind that what is hydraulic system? A hydraulic system is a drive technology where a fluid is used to move the energy from an electric motor to an actuator, such as a hydraulic cylinder. The fluid is theoretically uncompressible and the fluid path cannot be flexible in the same way as an electric cable. The hydraulic system works on the principle of Pascal's law, which says that the pressure in an enclosed fluid is uniform in all the directions. The Pascal's law is illustrated in the figure. Working of hydraulic system. It consists of a movable piston connected to the output shaft in an enclosed cylinder, storage tank, filter, electric pump, pressure regulator, control valve, leak-proof closed loop piping. The output shaft transfers the motion or force, however, all the other parts help to control the system. The liquid used is generally high density incompressible oil. It is filtered to remove dust or any other unwanted particles and then pumped by the hydraulic pump. The pressure regulator is used to avoid such circumstances which redirect the excess fluid back to the storage tank. The movement of piston is controlled by changing liquid flow from port A and port B. The leak-proof piping is also important due to safety, environmental hazards and economical aspects. Now my friend Lakshya will tell you more about hydraulic system.
Hello guys, my name is Lakshay Rathore and let's talk about some application of hydraulic system. First, industrial. In industrial, it is used in plaster processing machinery, robotic system, etc. Then in mobile hydraulics, it is used in tractors, irrigation system, building and construction machinery, etc. And in automobile, it is used in the system like brakes, shock absorber, lift, ankling, etc. Aerospace equipment. They are equipment and system used for flight control and transmission, etc., which are used in airplanes, rockets, spaceships. It is also used in garages to lift the cars. Like you can see this in the figure. When we apply force on the small piston, then it's move, and then the liquid that cannot be compressed, it moves from here to here, and then the large piston move that help in lifting the cars in the garages. Then it has some advantages like the hydraulic system uses incompressible fluid which result in higher efficiency. It delivers consistent power output which is difficult in pneumatic or mechanical driver system. Hydraulic systems employ high density incompressible fluid. The possibility of leakage is less in a hydraulic system as compared to that in a pneumatical system. The maintenance cost is also less. Disadvantages: the small impurities in the hydraulic fluid can permanently damage the complete system, therefore one should be careful and suitable filter must be installed. The leakage of hydraulic fluid is also a critical issue and suitable prevention method and seals must be adopted. The hydraulic fluids, if not disposed of properly, can be harmful to the environment. So this is all about the hydraulic system. Thank you.